Hey friends, I'm pretty psyched about this little project I got going on here today. Just picked up this 5-volt USB charge controller for my solar panel here. This is an 18-volt solar panel, pretty decent size, 4.5 watt, 0.25 amp or 250 milliamps purportedly. And I'm actually charging up my Android phone. You want to keep that in the shade so it doesn't overheat. And I'm noticing that after doing some calculations on the battery, that being 3 hours in the sun here, and again, I've got the window open. You can see there is a screen in front of here which is impeding some sunlight. I'll have to do some tests in direct light as well. But I'm getting on the order of about 100 milliamp hours an hour. 100 milliamps an hour charging capacity on the Android phone here. I also do some tests with the phone turned off because actually I've had the phone turned on the whole time, and it may be more efficient actually with the phone off. And it's powering up my little AM, FM shortwave radio here as well. I don't have any batteries in here, so that's running fully off the solar panel. Pretty cool. And guys, probably the most versatile application for this rig is to charge a power bank. It's purported 20,000 milliamps, but you know that those are never accurate specs. This is actually more on the order of 10. I've done video reviews on this before. Still, that will charge my Samsung phone nearly 3 times, not quite, and you can see the indicator light. This is fully charging as well. I can also use this for Arduino projects. Just as a heads up that this charge controller, I believe, takes up to 20 volts. So I'm pretty close with the 18-volt solar panel back here. I should note that there is an onboard diode on the positive lead. You can see right there, the diode. That is very essential for one-way current flow, guys, on your positive lead. That came pre-wired with the crystalline solar panel here. So I believe this is a monocrystalline panel. It's actually pretty warm. One thing I am noticing about performance with this, guys, this really does need to be in direct sunlight to power these things. Like, see how I'm getting some shade here now, some shadow? I noticed that wasn't even turning on the radio. This thing really does need to be in full contact with the sun. But I am very, very excited to have this little rig here powering up all my devices, charging my power bank, charging my phone, giving me communication with the radio. And you see the dimensions of this, guys. It's, you know, just about the width of my hand, 18 volts. Look forward to reading your comments below if you're into low power solar applications. And thanks so much for watching.